Hi everyone, this is Nas Akkerman here and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short video I'm gonna show you very easy exercises to get a better sleep. So just 10 minutes and you will see how cool these asanas and exercises for your body. So grab the blanket or yoga mat, or you also can use your double size bed or king size bed, it's enough, and let's get it started.
Take a comfortable sitting position, put both of your palms on your knees. Your legs can be crisscrossed or just half of lotus pose. Breathe in. Slowly, easy. We will try to prepare our body for deep and nice sleep. Slowly move your body side to side. Very easy. Then make a circle movements by all your body. Angle on your back, shoulders forward and chest forward. Then to another side, chest forward, angle on the back. Slowly and easy. Chest forward, angle on the back, shoulders forward. Then slowly make angle on your back and hold yourself a little bit in this position. When your chin try touch your chest. Circle movement by your shoulders. And move your chest forward. Also hold yourself in this pose. Breathe in. Then slowly put both of your palms on your head. And like a little bit lift down your head by your palms. You can feel a small tension in your neck. Then slowly put both of your palms on your knees and start do circle movements by your head. The right side on the left side. From the left side to the right side. Slowly, slowly. Inhale, raise up both of your hands. Continue breathing, hold yourself in this pose for a little bit. Exhale. Slowly put both of your palms on the floor. Move your body forward. And sit down. Put your hips on your feet. Also do some movements. Chest forward, angle on your back. Just a few times. Then slowly lift up all your body. You're standing on your knees. Move your body side to side. Nice and easy. Then move your left leg on the side straight. Raise up both of your hands. And hold yourself in this pose for a little bit. When you're staying on the floor, on your right knee bend, and when your left leg straight on the side. Then make a side bend. Try touch your left foot by your hands, and try touch your left knee by your forehead. Breathe in. Slowly lift up your body. Inhale, raise up both of your hands. Hold yourself for a little bit in this pose. Breathe in. Slowly put your left knee on the floor. Inhale, raise up both of your hands. Move your right leg on the side. Hold yourself in this pose. When your hands up and straight, when your back is straight. And then slowly make a side bend on your right leg. Try touch your right foot by your palms and try touch your right knee by your forehead. Breathe in. This is a very good exercise for your digestive system. Slowly lift up your body. Inhale, rise up both of your hands and put back your right knee. Inhale one more time and move your hips down on your feet. Hold yourself in this pose with your hands up and slowly lie down at the child pose. Put your forehead on the floor, arms, elbows and palms also on the floor. Then slowly move your body forward, lift up, your knees on the floor, palms and hands straight on the floor, and rise up your left leg, hold it. Don't forget to breathe. And slowly put it down. Rise up your right leg, your left knee on the floor, your right leg up straight behind you. Put your knees on the floor, move your body side to side. Put your hips close to your feet, one more time. It's like a push-ups. And back your body to the plank pose. Then slowly lie down, and then lift up your body to the plank pose. Again, lie down, push up, lift up your body to the plank pose. Again, lie down and rise up your body to the Sphinx pose. When your back has some angle, when your elbows, arms and palms on the floor. Slowly lie down and slowly lift up your body to the cobra pose with the straight hands. Your belly didn't touch in the floor, of course, if your flexibility level allow you to do that. Then slowly lie down and try hug your feet. Put your feet close to your hips and close to both of your sides. Nice and easy. We'll lie down on our stomach and belly and try put your feet and heels close to your hips. Hold yourself in this pose. Breathe in. Then slowly rise up your body, your palms on your heels, make some locker, your chest up, your knee bend up as much as you can, as much as your flexibility level allow you to do that. Only your belly on the floor. Breathe in. And slowly lie down, relax. Very good. You also can shake your legs a little bit. Relax them. Then slowly hold your feet. Make them close to your hips. Make some push-ups, close to hips, then on the side, on the hips, on the side. And then hold your feet close to your hips. Then again, rise up your body, your hands are straight, chest didn't touch on the floor, knee bend also didn't touch the floor, all your legs didn't touch the floor. Try to do that as much as you can, as much as your flexibility level allow you to do that. Continue breathing. And slowly lie down. Very good. Then rise up your body to the Sphinx pose. Breathe in. Slowly lie down. Move your body to the plank pose. Slowly put your knee on the floor. Move your hips down. Put your hips on your feet. Your forehead on the floor. Palms, arms, elbows on the floor. This is a child pose. Continue breathing. Then slowly lift up your body. We are sitting in a diamond pose when your palms on your knees. Now you can close your eyes, continue breathing. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. When you do inhale, your stomach like a ball. When you do exhale, your stomach close to your back. Make a breath in this position as much as you want. And whenever you will be ready, you can go to sleep.